Hello, Mr. Area, are you alright? Good. So, you probably know the Roman, yeah? Roman number. Roman. Like, look, what's this? What's this?
1.
What's this? 2i, yeah? 2i. What's this?
2.
What's this?
3.
And how do you write 4?
IV.
How do you write 5?
V.
Next?
VI.
Wow, you get it. Okay, so...
VII.
Yeah. Okay, so...
V.
What letters do you have?
IV, X, L, C, D, M.
L, C, D, M. Well done. So this is 1. This is 5. This is
10.
and this
50,
is
100, 500, 1,000.
well done. Wow, you're getting there. Okay. So
I
now
didn't know it.
you already know. Okay. That's even better. So if I give you a number like I don't know. Let's do this. Okay. L X V I. What's this? What's the number of this? L X V I. So tell me the number. This represent.
And that's 66.
That's 50. That's 10. That's 5. That's 1. 66. Well done.
Yeah,
Wow, you got it. You nailed it. Okay, how about...
I nailed it.
Yeah, you nailed it. How about X, L?
40.
So that's 10. That's 50. Why this is 40?
Oh, because the smaller numbers first.
Smaller function. So this is will become eventually will become minus 10 plus 50. Yeah. If the next one is smaller than the current one, we just add it, right? Add it. I use the bigger. If the next one is bigger, so this one is the smaller one, we just do the minus. Okay. So today's job is very simple. Given a Roman number, tell me how many it represent. What's the number it represent? Okay. Got it? So what's your approach? We just solve it. You already know how to do it. So tell me the approach you're solving this. Given the number.
So you just write down all of this, then it'll be much easier.
Yeah. We have suppose we have a mapping table. So we store this mapping table in what?
Set.
A hash map, a notebook. Yeah, we can look it up. The keys will be these character. The values will be the numbers. Yeah, so we can look it up. Yeah. Okay. So look. We go through this number and how do we do it? If the next one is smaller than the current one, right? By looking at the least, we add it 50, 10, 5, and then the last one we just add it. If this one is smaller than the next one, what should we do? We put so for this one, XL. So if X is smaller than the next one, right? If the current character is smaller than the next one, what should we do? How should we do it differently than this one?
Because the smaller numbers first.
Yeah, and then we
subtract
this number, right? Okay, and go through that. Okay, that's easy. That seems an easy one. Okay, what's the time complexity? If there are n characters in the Roman string. Oh, what? Okay. Let's do this. Define Roman to integer. Okay. And now we got the s here. Okay. So first of all, we want to keep the value in the answer. At the beginning is 0, right? So, but we also need a mapping table. So let's do the mapping table. Let's call it data. And how do we do the mapping table? We use curly brace. Look, curly brace. And then we can write I is 1, right? Comma, look. And V is 5. Okay, etc. Okay, I'm not going to write all of it.
Why?
You know, I'm going to list. Okay, IV.
Always people think you're lazy.
Yeah, I'm lazy just to keep it quick. IV what?
IVX.
LCDM. Do you find the acronym for it? No?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
What?
Wait. Let me think. Wait.
Come on.
Wait. Let me think.
You can tell people how to remember this. Trust me, okay, it will be interesting, okay? Okay, don't worry about it.
Wait.
Come on, wait, the video is running, okay? Let's do this. N equals length S, so this is the number of characters in the string, right, Eric? Come on, okay?
Yeah.
And now we want to iterate for I in range to the n minus 1, yeah? We want to skip the last one first because we want to find out. Look, if current letter, the value will be data, right, Eric? Data SI, okay, you tell me, okay? SI is the current letter, yeah, Eric?
Yeah.
And data, we look it up the value. If it's bigger or equal, right? Or if it's smaller. Let's say if it's smaller. If it's smaller than what, Eric?
If it's smaller than we solve
Let-
trap.
Then smaller than what? Data S what? Current is SI. The next one is what? What is the next one?
Because
Current index is I. This is the
I plus 1.
yes, I plus 1. And we're using the data. Data, look it up, the value here. Then what? If this is smaller than the next one, we subtract. Answer what? Subtract what? Subtract which value? This or this?
This from this.
No. But next one we just
Wait.
subtract.
So
Just
we
subtract.
subtract this from this.
Yeah, but for the next one we're going to add it anyway, right? So we just need to subtract data SI. Okay, I tell you SI. Look at Eric, look. IV. IV. I is minus 1 now. And then if I move to the next character, this will be 5, yeah? We just add it in the next iteration, right? And as what? As what? As what? If it's bigger or equal, what should we do? If it's smaller, I subtract. And if it's bigger or equal, what should I do? VII, what should I do? What should I do with this V?
We shall add it on.
Add it. So answer add equal what? Which one? Is it the same?
Yeah.
Yeah, data. Okay, so look, these we'll skip the last one, right? Skip the last characters. Then for the last character, we just need to add it, right? So data, answer plus equal data. What's the last character? What's the last character?
Minus 1.
Yeah, S minus 1. That's it. Okay? Look, what's the time complexity?
N.
Oh, n. Yeah, we're iterating n time. What's the space complexity? What's the space complexity? Are we using any space here? Are we using any space here?
Yeah.
But this one is it growing as the number of s?
No.
So what's the time complexity?
O1.
O1. We are using a lookup table, but this doesn't change. This we know the fixed size. We know it's a fixed a table with a fixed size. It's a lookup table. Key value pair. Yeah, notebook. Yeah, key value pair. Yeah. Okay, you still thinking about the acronym?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to erase this. Okay, I'm going to erase which bit. If erase this bit. If what? Then do this. If what? Okay, can you write it? And then that's it.
If
what?
data.
If what? If what?
If data.
Come on, write it faster, okay? understand what I mean? The Roman, converting the Roman number. IV. What's the least number? IV in that's the Roman. What's this number in integer? Do you understand this IV, VI? Okay, you probably don't understand. Yeah? SI? Yeah? Data.
SI.
Bracket.
Smaller than
Yeah,
data.
bracket.
Smaller than data. I plus 1.
Yeah, we are checking. It's
Data
the
I
covering.
plus 1. Data I plus
No,
1.
SI plus 1. You're missing the key. The key is
I
SI.
did say that.
Okay, look, keep doing.
Data SI plus 1. We.
It's a square bracket. It's not a
I'm doing it.
Okay. S.
IV is 6.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Quicker. Another one. And a missing column. Yeah. That's it for today. Good job. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.